back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my November Allure Beauty Box. Ta-da! This box actually came at a reasonable time, which is great, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. Another cool thing about this particular box, which I don't think they do all the time, I know they didn't do it last month, the coupon codes that are in this box are good until December 31st, which is really awesome because then you can use it, you know, for your Christmas shopping if you want to. It doesn't have to be just for you, but certainly you can pamper yourself if you really want to. For those of you guys who don't know, Allure is a subscription service box, and for $15 plus tax, you can receive between 5 to 6 deluxe 2 full-size samples, ranging from anywhere between makeup, tools, skincare, hair care, nail care, the whole shebang. So without further chit-chat, if you guys would like to see what's in my November Allure box, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, this month's box is actually kind of themed, which isn't typical for Allure, but this month we are going very heavy in the mask direction of beauty. So lots and lots of masks in this box. So let's have a look and see what kind of products we have in here. So let's go ahead and look at the first product in here that was trying to jump out at me. These are Invisibobble the Traceless Hair Ring. Looks like there's 3 of them in here, and they are purple, made in Germany. Ooh, okay. And these remind me of telephone like coils. I don't know if anybody remembers back in the day when you used to have landline phones, so they'd have like the coily cord on here. I remember I had one that I bought that was like a kid's phone, and it had different settings where you could disguise your voice. Oops. It had different settings where you could disguise your voice. I thought it was the coolest thing ever. My mom, we only had the one line, so my mom would let me like plug it in to call friends and then make me unplug it whenever I was done. So, but I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and it had cords that were really similar to this. So evidently this is supposed to be a great hair tie that is not going to leave any bumps or divots in your hair. So we'll have to see if these actually do work and don't get tangled, which is a big problem for me. My hair tends to tangle a lot. So that's the first item that we have in here, and I have a little paper. This is from Anthropologie, and it is a $10 off a beauty purchase of $50 or more. How awesome is that? It's valid in store or online through December 31st. Cool. Alright, this first item that's an actual mask that we're getting out here is the Hollywood, California Glam Glow Super Mud Treatment. I'm sure probably everybody is familiar with this mask. I've certainly used it before. It's decent. I will say for my skin, it seems to be a little bit harsh. It does burn quite a bit more than other products do, but it does do a good job of kind of getting the excess oils out of your pores, especially somebody like me who has oily T-zone area and my nose tends to get a little wonky, and this does work well for it. I do feel like there's gentler products out there, but this is certainly acceptable. We have a 0.5 ounce tube, and I feel like that's pretty reasonable. I could probably get about 4 or 5 masks out of this. Sorry, there's a hummingbird outside the door. He's so cute. He's so distracting. But anyway, this is a great size. I can get probably about 4 or 5 masks out of this, depending on if I do my whole face or if I just do my T-zone. So I'm excited to have this. For reference, the full size of Glam Glow, for a full-size Glam Glow container, it's $59. So that is kind of on the expensive side, especially when you're looking for mud masks. My personal favorite is actually the Mask of Magnamenti from Lush. I love that mask, particularly for controlling oils. I will use that mask about once a week, and I do like to put it on my entire face. It does tingle, but it does not burn, and it does a great job of moisturizing my skin, but also balancing the oils. If you're not in a place where you can afford $59 for a mask, definitely try the Mask of Magnamenti. Alright, here we have an eye mask. This is the Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. And I have used these before, and they are great. They are phenomenal. The last time I used these, I bought a set of 30 patches from 21 Days of Beauty a while back, and I remember loving these. They are cooling, they feel really nice on the eyes. It says here that you put them on for 5 minutes and then you take them off and massage the serum into your eyes. I used to love doing this before I went to bed, and my eyes always looked significantly more plump and moisturized, and they felt great after. Another great patch that is similar is the, I think it's called Skin Iceland. Their patches are also quite good as well. I'd have to say I like these both similarly. I don't have a favorite one or the other, but if you're looking for something similar and you can find those and not these, then by all means try these out. And the full size of the Patchology is, so you get 5 pairs for $15, which isn't that bad, especially if you're only doing an eye patch like once a week, which is what I typically would do. I would do it on a Friday, take all my makeup off, put on my eye mask right before I went to bed, take it off, and then I felt fabulous for going to sleep. So the second mask we have here is a lip mask. This is the Rose Lip Mask, and it looks like is made in Korea. And it looks like you're supposed to leave it for 10 minutes on your lips, and then you pat any remaining essences into your lips. I have zero experience with lip masks. I've never used, or at least something like this, I've never used anything like this. I have used like the water sleeping mask. I've used their lip sleeping mask, which is basically just like a thick, almost like a Vaseline texture that you put on your lips and you leave it on. I've used a couple of different masks like that, but I've never used like a gel one that you just slap on your lips and leave there for a little while. So I'm interested to see how this is gonna turn out. I'm not really sure what to expect with this. It looks like if you wanted to buy some of these yourself, it is $38 for 20 masks, which again, if you're masking once a week, that is gonna last you a long time. I'm not sure if this is really worth the money per se, because you can take care of your lips with things like lip balms and lip serums and things like that, which are significantly cheaper in some instances. So we'll have to see how this turns out. Alright, next we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing for all skin types. I have to say, packaging wise, this is the cutest thing in this box. I love how it looks. It's one sheet mask that's folded up into like a triangle shape inside, and it looks like it does contain watermelon fruit extract and also watermelon fruit. It also has soybean, cabbage leaf, licorice root, which is supposed to be brightening, sweet potato, carob, sorry. So yeah, we'll have to see how that works. This also has hyaluronic acid, which is very good for the skin. I really enjoy products that have that. It looks like these are sold individually. This is an $8 mask, which is pretty great. And I'm very interested to see how this works, because it looks like it is an actual gel mask. So similar to the Patchology patches, where they're just sheets of gel that you stick on your face, this is the same. And I've never used a facial mask that's like that. So I'm really interested in trying this out and seeing if it really does anything interesting for my skin or not. So we'll have to see how this goes. Next we have the Lapkos Daily Skin Mask Pearl Brightening. And this looks like it is from somewhere in Asia. I'm not really sure. It looks like you can buy it at Anthropology, and it's $14 for a pack of 5. And it looks like gardenia rice ferment, so lactobacillus, which would help with acne certainly. They have pearl extract, which is interesting. I'm not really sure what that would do per se for your face, but I'd be interested to see. I mean, maybe it might have some exfoliating properties perhaps. But it looks like this is $14 for 5 if you want to try this out yourself. It's supposed to be metallic. I don't know if that does anything in particular, if it just looks cool when it's on your face. I would assume this is going to look rose gold, but I'm not 100%. So I'm interested to find out. Alright, last but not least, we have the Starskin Exfoliating Double Layer Foot Mask Socks. What? It says Magic Hour, the secret revealed. Dermatologist proven peeling results. okay, and it contains a full 50 mils of formula. So what you do is you wash your feet, remove socks from the sachet, and separate using scissors. Separate serum infused layers before putting on the socks. Use stickers to securely close. Leave socks on for a minimum of 60 minutes and a maximum for 90 minutes. Caution, avoid walking on smooth or slippery surfaces when wearing foot mask socks. Okay, remove socks and discard. Rinse feet thoroughly with warm water and towel dry. Do not apply foot cream after treatment or in the following 7 to 10 days. That's gonna be hard for me to remember. Dead skin with calluses will peel away gradually within 7 to 10 days. Note, the peeling process may start sooner depending on the condition of feet. Enjoy your smooth, soft, beautiful feet. Tip, to speed the peeling process, soak feet daily and briskly rub feet with a washcloth to assist dead skin removal. Yuck. Ew, I've always wanted to try these though, and I don't know why, because this sounds awful. This sounds disgusting. But I've always just wanted to see what it really does. I don't have the driest, most gross feet out there, so I don't think mine would be too horrendous, but I still want to, but I don't want to. It's kind of like when you peel off a Band-Aid and you're not really sure what the cut looks like underneath, but you want to see, but you don't. It's like that. So I'm interested to see how this works. And let's see. These are $15 a piece. So cost of the box right here, $15. I already know that I have an $8 mask right here. This certainly contains products that are worth well over the cost of the box. So yeah. And that's the end of my Allure November box. I will say I was pretty excited about this one. I kind of didn't know what to expect about a box that was all masks, because let me tell you, I have a lot of masks. I have so many masks. I try to use masks at least twice a week because I have so many. And a part of me was a little bit disappointed that this was mostly masks, but because there's such a variety and they're all weird and they're not really masks I've used except for the Glam Glow and the Patchology, I'm kind of excited to try them out, and I'm excited to see how they work. And if you are excited for this box and you would like to order Allure Box or try Allure Box out, feel free. There will be a link in the description. Until the next box or bag, I'll see you later. Bye.